हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू यूकैन क्लासेस। तो आज हम लोग देखने जा रहे हैं एसिड बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट्स के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, हाउ विल यू टेस्ट विथ लिटमस पेपर द गिवन सॉल्यूशन इज एसिड और बेसिक। आंसर इज एन एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन टर्न्स ब्लू लिटमस पेपर इनटू रेड, वेयर एज बेसिक सॉल्यूशन टर्न्स रेड लिटमस पेपर इनटू ब्लू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, what is the chemical name and chemical formula of baking soda? The answer is the chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Its chemical formula is NaHCO3. Question number 3 is, which acid is produced in our stomach? What happens if there is an excess of acid in the stomach? How can it affect be cured? The answer is hydrochloric acid is produced in our stomach. The excess acid in the stomach caused indigestion, which produce pain and irritation. This can be cured by using antacid. Antacid is a group of mild bases react with excess acid in our stomach and neutralize it. Question number 4 is, write the name and chemical formula of product formed by heating gypsum of 373 Kelvin. The answer is calcium sulfate hemihydrate and also known as plaster of Paris. Chemical formula is CaSO4 dot half H2O. Question number 5 is, what is baking powder? How does it make the cake soft and spongy? The answer is baking soda is mixture of baking soda and edible acid like tartaric acid. Baking powder on heating produce carbon dioxide gas which cause bread or cake to rise, make it soft and spongy. Question number 6 is, what is the nature of calcium phosphate present in tooth enamel? The answer is calcium phosphate present in tooth enamel is basic in nature. Question number 7 is, name the acid present in ant sting and give the common method to get relief from the discomfort caused by ant sting. सॉरी, यहाँ पर प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है, डिस्कम्फर्ट होना चाहिए. The answer is the acid present in an ant sting is formic acid. The chemical formula is HCOOH. To get relief on should apply may available basic salt, example baking soda on it. Question number 8 है, what happen when nitric acid is added to an eggshell? Answer is eggshell contain calcium carbonate. Where nitric acid is added to carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Question number 9, fresh milk has pH of 6. When it change into curd, will pH value increase or decreases? Why? The answer is when milk change into curd, its pH value decreases. This is because during curd formation lactic acid is produced which makes it acidic. Question number 10 is, why does distilled water not conduct electricity whereas rainwater does? The answer is distilled water does not conduct electricity because it does not contain any ionic compound like acid, bases and salts dissolve in rainwaters while falling on earth through the atmosphere. Dissolve acidic gases like CO2, SO2, etc. from the air and from acids like carbonic acid and form acid like carbonic acid and sulfuric acid, etc. These acids provide hydrogen ion to rainwater. So due to the presence of these acids, rainwater conduct electricity. थैंक यू. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. अगर आप इसी तरह के और अच्छे वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारे इस वीडियो को लाइक करें. थैंक यू.